Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain how to message employers in Instawork. To message employers in the Instawork app, you can utilize the in-app messaging features which facilitate communication between professionals and businesses. So once you've booked a shift, navigate to the My Shift tab and select the specific shift. Here you will find the messages section, allowing you to communicate with fellow professionals assigned to the same shift. So this feature is designed for communication and coordination among peers, such as arranging couples or shopping tips or sharing tips. However, direct messages with employers may not be available through the channel. So for specific questions or issues related to a shift on the site, contact is listed within the shift details. So typically 24 hours before the shift starts. So if you need to reach out to the employers directly, you can contact this on the site representative via the provided contact information. Additionally, if you encounter any problem or have inquiries, you can contact Instawork support through the app by tapping the help button and select the appropriate categories, or by emailing at help@instawork.com, and that's it.